Hi, welcome to the first day of summer with the X-Force. Cut to title scene.
Oh, title scene. We're gonna be making some crepes today.
Oh, it's a house
This
of
is the
beer.
Cucina Pro. That's what you make crepes on.
Crepes.
So the first thing you have to do is make the batter. We already did that. Well, I already did that. I didn't really do it.
Just everyone listen to
We're
this.
gonna be drinking that. Gonna drink crepes.
Then you
I have to get
put,
an over the shoulder shot.
You put it on. Very
Stay there. Now I need a middle shot. No, close up.
Let's use this now the roller.
Add more.
That's a lot.
Whoops.
Did you even do the filling thing in middle school? Here,
No. No.
You gotta spread it around. And spread it around. No.
Yummo.
Until it's a perfect circle like this.
Muy yummo.
Good one, Joe.
Thank you.
So now the art that Joe is using. He's using a roller to therefore spread thy batter across thy platter.
Batter and thy platter. Let's make poems about
Now
really
it's
good
starting to get a
for
little crusty.
Yeah, but you have to wait for it all
Crusty
to be.
pancakes.
You have to wait for it all to be dry, and then you flip it.
Because if it's not all dry, then it's yucky.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. Sorry, I talk too much as a photographer.
This is kind of burning with us.
Sorry.
This is more crispy. If you blow on it, it'll
Wendy's bacon.
it'll dry faster.
Okay, can I blow on it?
Yes.
That's yucky though.
Yes.
Only the person who's eating it should blow on it. Okay, that's Joe's.
All right.
It's not really.
Ooh.
I think it's time. Put it under 1/3. And
Oh.
oh! It looks like a pancake. I left it for too long. Then
Oh, no.
quickly.
Toppings.
Slap that
You
on
put it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. How is it gonna look? Oh, taking too long.
No.
Billy la bufanda fue a la farmacia para comprar pastillas para dolor de muelas. Yo sé, Billy la bufanda es una bufanda. No tiene
That's how you do
billetes,
it.
no puede tomar nada. Es una bufanda, no fue a ninguna parte.
Billy la bufanda.
All right.
You guys, we can make something.
Shing, 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 shing. Ah, God, I've been stabbed. Oh no, I'm
no.
in crepe talking.
That just looks so weird on the screen.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yummo.
Do I have to get? I have to like completely separate it, right?
Sure.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Separate.
Flip it. Flip it now.
Oh.
All right. Now,
Still
what
looks
toppings
like
do you
a
want?
pancake.
Nutella. Tons of
Put,
Nutella.
put
like
it
it
on
dry.
with a spoon. Oh. And then
I
spread
want
it with
just
a
whipped
knife.
cream.
But be very careful not to
Here's
touch
our
metal.
master chef.
Strawberries.
Oh, master chef.
Is this too much Nutella?
No, that's good.
Oh God, I've hurt your eyes.
Yes. No, just
Oh
push it.
no, oh no, oh my, what is, oh, say
Oh no! Push that over.
oh,
Wait, no, now with
what's this, they burned it, it's burning.
There we go.
Oh, wait, no, forget it, it was just a,
All messed up.
Oh, Joe messed up. That was not me.
What happened?
I'm
Joe
putting-
plopped it.
let's go visit the cook master chef's dogs.
Oh my god.
Hey, I need a fork there.
Bofunda.
Wait. And a phone. charger.
I
It's
am
like
cow.
really dead, but not
Yeah.
dead.
There's some right here.
Yo, where's a fork? Should I eat it? I need a knife too.
Oh boy.
There's.
The newest addition to the just made crepe family.
We gotta
Me.
take photos for
Carl's crepe.
to make Global
Wait.
Sport jealous.
Yeah, make Goals Fork jealous.
Can I have a crepe now?
Oh boy. You didn't. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at him chewing. The perfect chewing motion. Look at his technique. The up and down movement of his jaw.
This is how.
Your
French-
jaw is like a.
You want to see how French people eat crepes?
Yes, we do.
And then Carl, when you put the fork in your mouth, you gotta put it in upside down. Wee wee. That's exactly.
Second crepe done. Good job. Perfectly done.
Who's next? So what do you call this shape, Simon?
Ah.
I call it a dodecahedron.
No, it's it's a dog. See, there's the head and there's the snout.
yeah. Crepe Pictionary.
Crepe Pictionary,
I
guys.
think that's
Pictionary.
good for spreading. Alright, that's good.
You gotta get that
One.
side.
2, 3.
Yes!
Perfect. Alright, now topping.
That kind of looks like Australia. No. Wait.
Dun dun dun.
Alright, get your topping.
That's not mine.
Yeah, I got. Oh, I just got you.
Hold on.
Oh yeah. It's the Wii Sports Resort.
Oh yeah!
Dun, 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 dun. Do you want to flip it?
Rainbow Rose.
Ooh, I can smell it.
Come on, come on, come on. And go. Oh no. Perfect. The flip was a little uneven, but that's fine. Wait, why does this have a rip in it?
Measy.
Measy.
I was getting hungry before I.
Oh no!
Got a mess over here. Oh no,
Oh,
I
dear.
fell. Oh,
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 wasted.
bad.
This is my cookies and cream crepe. The whipped cream kind of melted, but that's okay. That's Braden's crepe. That's Simon's crepe. What did you have, Simon?
I had a banana and earth berry combination mixed in with a little cocoa extract butter, wrapped up in the crepe formula.
Wow, incredible.
On this land, it sounds like a colonial British beauty queen. Look at that.
What do you have?
Just a regular boring crepe. Uh-oh. Wait, are we eating cow products? Is there milk in the batter?
There is milk.
I'm a vegan. I can't eat this. Wait, yes I can.
Are you filming me?